Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back to the day of the crypto news and analysis, and today we're going to be talking about Alchemy Pay, or ACH. As you guys do know, I have been talking about it for a very long time, but I figured why not now be the best time to really kind of talk about it for those who want to look at some other gems and really kind of get into other undervalued gems before they do really kind of go and take off. And in my opinion, I do think that Alchemy Pay is a very undervalued gem, especially at its current rate, for what it is really kind of focused on and doing. So, with all of that in mind, sit back, relax, and before we fully jump into this video, I just want to ask if you guys could please leave a like on this video. It will greatly help the channel grow immensely, and I do greatly appreciate it. Also, if you guys do want to go check out NCashOfficial.com to really kind of get my trading indicators, my exit plans, and all that kind of stuff, you guys are more than welcome to go check it out. There is also the Ultimate Crusader Trading Bundle Pack, which does include everything on the website as well as all future content for free. It is on sale for 35% off currently until the end of this month. Now, with all of that in mind, I do want to discuss to you guys a little bit about what's happened throughout the market. So we are seeing a little bit of a stabilization on Bitcoin, while the dominance factors are kind of ranging around 41%, and we do see Ethereum ranging around the 21.2 percentile range. So this is obviously allowing some altcoins to make some significant gains in traction. Gala up about 15.85%, QNT up about 24.29%. So a lot of altcoins have been having their major recovery process happening. Alchemy Pay is a little bit of, a struggle because it's only up about 4.42%, but the trading volume is only up about or down 14%. So there's not too much volume flowing in at all. There's not a lot of buying right now. The volume is pretty much kind of stable. And like I said, the price isn't going anywhere right now currently. But that is good. This means that right now currently there is not too much volume flowing in. We do still see, accumulation happening in terms of the account holders or the addresses in general. So I do suspect that Alchemy Pay is going to have a similar move like NewCipher. I've discussed that in a video already. I think that Alchemy Pay is going to move extremely hard once we do see a lot of those other announcements happen. And like I said, I think that retail FOMO for Alchemy is going to be extremely parabolic, especially considering the fact that it is on some major exchanges. Now, I do want to talk to you guys a little bit about Alchemy Pay. So, first off, let's check out the 1 week. We do see social metrics. It's extremely overlooked. There is not a lot of social engagement. There's not a lot of social volume. There's not a lot of social presence at all. Even on the 1 month span, it's still fairly rough. The 3 month span, this is pretty much where things started to really kind of move because the price was up significantly. We do see back here, the price was at 7 cents. We do see, the price went up, significantly again, hit about 9 cents and so throughout, the month of November. And of course, a lot of people were pretty much talking about it. Now, 6 months, so I actually don't have, their level 2 on here, so I can't actually look at the 6 month, but we could just kind of assume that the social metrics were looking pretty good. Now, we do see top influencers. There's quite a bit of individuals here, but overall, there's not too many big influencers on here. So we are still very early, and we do see here the top trading pairs. A lot of the market that we are on, we have partnerships with some major exchanges, and we are still not listed on them. We know that we are on Coinbase. Coinbase is actually not listed here, which is kind of weird. I know that there is also, Coinbase Pro, which, again, not listed here. So, in my mind, we still have a lot of things that still need to be announced. Of course, the Coinbase announcement is already announced, but that is something that we really kind of need to look into because, there is still a lot of major exchanges that need to list Alchemy Pay, which will allow a lot more volume from retail demand and FOMO, and that is why I believe that we could still see a lot major price action movement, especially with the updates that are coming, as well as the partnerships. So, we did see Alchemy Pay kind of sum up exactly what ACH is. For anybody who does want a clear insight on what Alchemy Pay is, here you guys have it. Alchemy Pay removes the barrier between crypto and fiat by helping enterprises accept crypto without needing their clients to adopt new hardware. Now, as you guys know, I am a utility gem finder and hodler. Now, with this, of course, I love enterprise grade use cases, and that is what really kind of brought me to Alchemy Pay, is really kind of seeing, Alchemy Pay's focus on the enterprise grade, world in terms of use cases that are going to disrupt it. And this is one of those bridges that will be disruptive technology in the enterprise grade overall environment. So, I am extremely bullish on Alchemy Pay due to this because we have been seeing this come to fruition. Now, 3 weeks ago, we did see this partnership with ARPA or ARPA. Now, this is going to develop a highly secure global loyalty program. So, like I said, when we're talking about credit cards, okay, you look at a credit card and you look at the loyalty program. You see what kind of incentives you could get. Again, this is going to be pretty interesting because this is going to be a multi-business network loyalty program with enhanced privacy because they are focused on payments at the end of the day. So why wouldn't, crypto debit cards that have these major incentives be a thing? In my mind, I think that is going to be happening. Now, it is here building on Alchemy Pay's existing payment systems. Alchemy Pay will be developing turnkey loyalty program solutions for businesses and merchants with market-leading features such as redemption across all of Alchemy Pay Global's global merchant networks, multi-brand loyalty programs, fraud-proof issuance, and also settlement point systems. So this is actually going to be, pretty much flowing into these major platforms such as even Shopify and Arcadia, which are e-commerce platforms. So this is going to be pretty big. Now, like I said, this is going to spark some major use case, and we do see here our users can have the peace of mind of knowing that ARPA helps us provide them with security and privacy for their data. ARPA is the leader in blockchain-compatible secure computation, and this capability adds significant value to our ecosystem. Alchemy Pay's innovative payment system is leading the way in DeFi, and ARPA will play an essential role through the unique scalable privacy and security we offer to enhance Alchemy Pay's suite of DeFi offerings. And like I said, in terms of the DeFi market, it is very massive. So I really don't see Alchemy Pay being at the price that it is for a very long time. I could honestly see this doing a 10 to 100x, even at some point in time, a possible 1000x if this does get the traction that I do believe it will. Now we do see here, Alchemy Pay integrates with Tron to enable TRX payment and investment. This goes back to November 15th. Now, this is pretty interesting as well because we do see our BitStore is an intuitive crypto trading platform popular among new crypto investors with 500,000 users across Australia, Canada, Hong Kong, Indonesia, and the United Kingdom. Now, I just talked to you guys a little bit about this. I believe that I actually had this included in a video recently, but when we're talking about this is really kind of going to be focused on those major industries, talking more so about crypto exchanges, stablecoin issuers, and DeFi platforms. So DeFi is the heart and soul of a lot of this infrastructure, and I think that this is going to be huge. And when we're talking about DeFi, guys, this is not a small market. This is a huge market with massive year-to-date percentages on a lot of the leading altcoins in this space. I suspect that ACH could also be one of these very well tokens. So when we're talking about what Alchemy is doing, it is very bullish. Now, we also seen this. Alchemy Pay celebrates 150 enterprises and payment processing participants. This is exactly what I'm talking about. 150 plus enterprises. Look at the ecosystem in just Q3. This is what you like to see. And look at some of these individuals on here. PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. Tell me any other asset that has these partnerships. Tell me any other asset that has this ecosystem. This is bullish, guys. We do see here, after 2 years of rapid expansion, the Alchemy Pay ecosystem now boasts more than 150 core nodes, including banks, merchant networks, decentralized finance protocols, exchanges, remittance partners, and others. Covers more than 200 payment channels in over 60 countries. This is huge. Guys, do I really need to tell you guys how big this actually is going to become? Alchemy Pay is a massive project. It's not because I'm getting paid or anything like that. Trust me, I cannot lie to you guys about that. I am not being paid to shill Alchemy Pay. I'm not. Okay, I do have holdings of it. I recently bought it. It doesn't matter. I'm not trying to pump my bags. I'm not trying to get you in on things that I'm invested in. I'm just telling you guys what I see. Alchemy Pay is a clear winner in my book. Okay? We do see here ChainUp announces strategic partnership with Alchemy Pay to benefit more clients with its global fiat payment channels. Guys, look at this. Alchemy Pay has developed the world's first crypto hybrid payment solution for individuals and institutions and operates in over 60 countries and regions, having established over 5,000 transaction nodes. This is huge. ChainUp was established in 2017 and is headquartered in Singapore. It implements a group and global operations strategy and has established subsidiaries in Tokyo, Hong Kong, and other places. ChainUp is the leader of the technology service sector. After 4 years of development, ChainUp now has multiple well-established product lines, including digital asset trading system, wallet system, liquidity system, WAS alliance, distributed storage, mining, digital asset mining, etc., creating a closed industry loop from technology service traffic to commercialization. We even see our ChainUp has provided blockchain services to over 600 customers worldwide, including over 400 customers in the field of crypto exchanges and over 150 wallet customers and over 300 customers in liquidity, covering up to 30 countries and regions located in 5 continents, engaging a total number of over 60 million users. And we just hear the partnership is going to focus on the advancement of business growth for both parties. The establishment of fiat gateways will help ChainUp better serve its clients, while Alchemy Pay will be able to engage more potential users via the partnership. So, again, 60 million, users. Could you imagine just a fraction of those coming over to Alchemy Pay? That is very bullish. And this goes back to September, by the way, just so you guys know. And we just hear Alchemy Pay integrates Chainlink for enhanced decentralized exchange trading, DeFi borrowing. This is very, very interesting. So I've always said that Chainlink is really a chain link for this entire market. It has partnerships with pretty much almost every asset that I invest in. It is absolutely crazy. But when we're talking about what is happening, we're talking more so about collateralizing DeFi loans with ACH. We're talking about pretty much being the focus point for DeFi and decentralization in general. This is going to be huge. It is crucial to the success of our payment gateway solution that the value of ACH is accurately shared throughout the ecosystem. The accuracy of Chainlink price feeds is underpinned by the robust technology Chainlink has deployed to protect against downtime and manipulation. We do see here, we see a quote, our hybrid crypto fiat system enables both crypto and fiat for everyday digital payments, large or small, in a single system. This requires an accurately represented ACH token moment by moment. We can depend on Chainlink for that. So this is going to be pretty big in terms of just kind of providing that secure overall, insight. We also see Chainlink is the industry standard for developing, accessing, and also selling Oracle services necessary to drive hybrid smart contracts across any blockchain. The network connects to any external API and secures billions of dollars across lending or leading industries, including gaming and insurance. So, like I said, huge partnerships, massive ecosystem growth. I think that DeFi loans and stuff like that are going to be huge. I think that ACH, in terms of focusing on the P2P and even the B2B market with DeFi, is going to pretty much resolve into this. DeFi resolving the 5 flaws of traditional finance. And with this being a bridge with fiat and crypto, it's pretty much going to be a bridge of DeFi with traditional finance. And we know that traditional finance suffers greatly in terms of, novel risk, raising up marginalized groups, and we also even see a lot more problems within this. We know that traditional finance is really kind of stifled right now in terms of its growth and scalability. That is why DeFi is really kind of solving that. A lot of these assets are solving that. ACH right now at these current prices is severely undervalued, but we also see a strong bounce off of the 702 at around 6 cents exact almost. In my mind, this has some clear targets ahead of it, and I'm very excited for the future of this asset. You guys already know me. I'm hodling this asset very, very long term because I know the future of what ACH kind of looks like, especially from just the partnerships alone, what they're focused on. I'm very bullish on Alchemy Pay long term and even short term. So with all of that in mind, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like and subscribe on this Wow, I can't even talk. Leave a like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video. But nonetheless, I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are in this world. This has been Nick. Peace out, guys.